alligator snapping with a grin. B is for bear with honey on its chin. C is for cat who purrs so sweet. D is for dog with wagging feet. A, B, C, come sing with me. Animals as far as we can see. Big and small, they're wild and free. Let's learn together A to Z. E is for elephant, so big and strong. F is for frog who jumps all day long. G is for giraffe reaching up so high. H is for horse galloping by. A, B, C, come sing with me. Animals as far as we can see. Big and small, they're wild and free. Let's learn together A to Z. I is for iguana resting in the sun. J is for jaguar on the run. K is for koala sleeping in a tree. L is for lion, so brave and free. M is for monkey swinging around. N is for nightingale, a beautiful sound. O is for octopus with arms galore. P is for penguin waddling on the shore. A, B, C, come sing with me. Animals as far as we can see. Big and small, they're wild and free. Let's learn together A to Z. Q is for quail running on the ground. R is for rabbit hopping all around. S is for snake slithering through. T is for tiger roaring at you. U is for unicorn, okay, it's pretend. V is for vulture, on the wind they descend. W is for whale swimming in the deep. X is for x-ray fish, a secret to keep. Y is for yak with fluffy fur to see. Z is for zebra with stripes so fancy. We've learned our ABCs, the animals too. Sing it again, now it's up to you.